This is the afternoon edition of the Weather Xtreme video. This is for Thursday, June 28th. Sizzling summer heat is the story. Let's get in there and check some of the Skycam shots. Now, that's the place to be. Alabama's highest mountain, Chehaw State Park, they're sitting at 88 while everybody else is baking today. Of course, they're up at 2,400 feet. We'll work our way south. That's the Alabama River as seen from the Skycam in Selma, and that's a good place to be. The Alabama Gulf Coast as seen from the Skycam on the Phoenix, All Suites, and Gulf Shores. Weather down there looks fine for quite a while. Sunny days, fair nights, showers, hard to find. All right, that old nasty heat ridge expanding and stretching its muscles out, running all the way from Phoenix to Knoxville and Atlanta and Indianapolis and North Alabama. And those are the 2 o'clock numbers. At 2 o'clock, we had triple-digit highs up in the Tennessee Valley, mostly upper 90s around here. But right as I'm doing this update about 3 o'clock, Birmingham did hit 100. Tuscaloosa was sitting at 99. And numbers might even be a tad warmer in coming days. And around the nation, yeah, you can pick out the center of that nasty heat. Amarillo over to Indianapolis and Nashville, Muscle Shoals and Memphis. And that thing's just slowly drifting east. And we'll be dealing with it for several days. Convective outlook for the rest of today and tonight. A little slight risk up around Cleveland and Erie, Pittsburgh. And then tomorrow, maybe a few strong storms on the top of the heat bubble. But forget severe weather down here. We can't even buy a drop of rain. In fact, there's the rain. Now, look here. We got green on the map all of a sudden. This is the rain through Tuesday morning of next week. And we might start to see a few widely scattered showers and storms next week as the heat ridge breaks down a little bit. Highs go back in the upper 90s by the middle of the week, but widespread rain, unfortunately, unlikely. A lot of folks need it. And the tropics, what's left of Debbie as well, east of North Carolina. A little wave halfway between the Lesser Antilles and the coast of Africa, but no sign of either of those becoming really tropical. Check modeling, and you pretty much know what this is going to look like. This is the 12Z GFS at 1 o'clock tomorrow afternoon. 594 ring. That means the pressure is 500 millibars at 5,940 meters off the ground. And when the atmosphere is expanding like that, it's hot. Temperatures should be at or over 100 tomorrow. In fact, both the NAM and the GFS are right at 100. Saturday, heights may be inching down a little bit, but it still looks brutal. The GFS is printing a high of 103. Sunday, pretty much the same deal. In fact, let's look at the actual temperatures coming off the GFS. This is Saturday. 100-degree heat here. Sunday, same thing. Monday. And really, we're the kind of the hottest in the nation. You know, if you look at that, we are the core of the heat early next week. And there's Tuesday. The heat levels come down a little bit with mid to upper 90s. We'll go down below that on Tuesday, and we have seen some runs that show maybe enough moisture for a few widely scattered showers or storms. Wednesday, same thing, 4th of July, hot as a firecracker, mid to upper 90s. A few spots might see a shower or storm, but it sure doesn't look like anything widespread. And the same thing a week from today. Highs probably between 94 and 98. We'll check the end of the forecast, and that certainly doesn't show any sign of getting any big heat relief there. Got the 588 ridge over much of the nation. Westerlies up in Canada. And again, maybe enough moisture for a few scattered showers, but just old summertime hot weather. That's it for the Weather Xtreme video today. We'll have notes on the blog. Next video here by 7 o'clock tomorrow morning. And don't forget to watch ABC 3340 News on the live stream of the television side at 4, 5, 6, and 10. Thanks for watching. Have a great evening, and God bless.